In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit responses to one per person. If you're running a survey, a sign-up form, or a quick poll, limiting each participant to a single submission is one of the best ways to keep your data clean and your results fair. It prevents duplicates, stops people from changing their answers over and over, and makes analyzing the final numbers much simpler. Let's walk through exactly how to turn that on and what it means for your respondents. First, open your form and go to the top of the editor. Click the Settings tab. This area controls the rules and behavior for your form, things like how people can submit, whether they can edit their responses, and what they see after they're done. If you're scanning the interface, it's usually labeled clearly as Settings at the top. Once you're there, you're in the right place to make the change. Next, find the section labeled Responses and click the small down arrow to expand it. Expanding this section reveals options dedicated to how responses are collected and managed. This is where you control whether your form is open to new entries and whether there are any restrictions on submissions. We're interested in the option that controls how many times a single person can respond. Now turn on the switch for limit to one response. As soon as this is enabled, your form will restrict each person to a single submission. This helps ensure that one voice equals one vote and avoids accidental double entries from someone who refreshes the page or clicks the link again later. Depending on the platform and your organization's policies, respondents may be asked to verify their identity, such as by signing in, so the form can recognize and enforce the one response rule. Keep in mind that this can reduce anonymity, so consider whether this setting matches your goals for privacy and access. The change takes effect immediately. Anyone who has already submitted won't be able to submit again, and new visitors will be limited to one attempt. If your needs change, say you're reopening the form for updates, you can return to the same responses section in settings and turn the switch off. Your existing data remains intact. This setting only affects future submissions. A quick tip: let people know in your form description that only one response is allowed. Clear expectations encourage thoughtful, complete answers and reduce troubleshooting later. That's all there is to it. Open Settings at the top of your form, expand the Responses section, and enable Limit to one response. With this in place, your results stay cleaner, fairer, and easier to analyze. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.